Hey there, to block a phone number on your iPhone 15, you need to first visit your phone's app. This is the phone's app, as you can see this. Tap here and then this interface will pop up. Now from here you need to tap this option called recents. Here you will find all the recently initiated phone calls. Now if you want to block a particular phone number, for example, if I want to block this number, you need to tap this I button from the right corner. Tap the I button. Now you will find the information of the caller. You need to swipe down, and you will find this option called block caller. So tap here once. Now as you can see, it will block the caller from everywhere. It will block it from phone calls, messengers, or FaceTime, everywhere possible. So after blocking the contact, this particular person won't be able to call you or won't be able to FaceTime you. So yeah, that's how you block a number on your iPhone.